Hi, I'm Renee. I'm a hairstylist and makeup artist in Sydney, and today I'm going to show you a very simple skincare routine that only takes a few minutes and it will set the most beautiful base for any makeup. Lego! Okay, the first step we're going to do is exfoliate. Today I'm using the Fresh Sugar Scrub. It's really important to exfoliate to get rid of anything that you've had on during the day, even if you haven't worn anything. Just nice to have properly cleansed skin. Facial cleanser alone I feel like doesn't do the job quite right. This baby makes you feel like you're getting an actual facial. So I'm gonna go in and get started. So just a nice amount. Beautiful. Now step 2, we're going to use a lip scrub. I'm using Bite Agave lip scrub. Remembering to be hygienic, never double dip. I'm going to just grab quite a good amount on my spatula and place it on the back of my hand. The back of your hand is your best palette. It's going to make the base of your makeup stand out, particularly if you want your lips to be a little bit more plump. So now we're going to wash this off. Next step is to moisturize the lips, so load it up with some beautiful lip balm. So I'm going to use the Bite Agave Night Therapy Lip Balm. Doesn't matter if it's night or day, I just prefer it because it is a little bit thicker in texture, so we'll pop some of that on. I'm going to use my spatula, just scrape a little bit of that out. And don't be afraid to use quite a bit because you really want your lips, particularly if they get dry, to soak it up. Let's just go in with our finger, no brushes needed. So next step is a serum. Skincare is like going out to a restaurant where you order an entree, a main and a dessert. The entree is cleansing your skin daily. The main is using a serum filled with all the most amazing active ingredients to feed your skin what it needs. And the moisturiser is the dessert. From the age of 25, we start to go downhill in age. We start to age. I'm using a serum daily now because I want to, make my skin last as long as I can, for as good as I can. This serum's quite beautiful. Let's go in with this one. So just allow your serum to dry a little, give it a moment. It'll sort of have a sticky, almost dry feeling. So just wait for that to happen before we apply moisturiser, which is our next step. One of my absolute favourite moisturisers for the skin is this brand, Weleda Skin Food. I use it in my kit. All of my clients love it. It's amazing. It's rich, intensive skincare. There is a light version if you feel like it is too much, but particularly this time of the year, it is really good for our skin. So I even go one step further and I add a little facial oil. This is always in my skin routine. So I just add a few drops always to my moisturiser because it just gives that little bit extra dewy feeling. You don't need too much of the Weleda Skin Food because it is quite thick, and I always do about 2 drops of the vitamin C oil. So just rub them together and place it onto the skin. All over, go under the eyes. You don't need an eye cream, this is your eye cream. Going one step further to include the body in your skincare routine, I love the Weleda Skin Food Body Butter. So I use this again with an oil. So I'm going to use the Wild Rose Pampering Oil. So I use these together. Same as I did for the face, I do for the body. Again, it just gives it that little bit of extra dewy look. Get a nice big scoop, a couple of squeezes of the pampering oil. Mix those together. The body butter is amazing all over your body, so don't forget the arms and hands, and it just gives it that nice glow. And just all over the neck. Voila! Love that mix. I use it on my clients, they love it. It shows up really well for photographs. Even if you're going to a special event, your skin just glows. So you don't just want your face to glow, you want the rest of your body to glow as well. So, love it! So to wrap up, this is just a beautiful daily routine that I do morning and night. It's a really nice way to look after your skin. It's a beautiful foundation for beginning any makeup. Thank you for watching.